10 foods to boost your damaged skin. We all spend a lot of money on skincare products and anti-aging creams and lotions to prevent our skin from wrinkling. But today we are gonna tell you some other less costly ways to prevent your skin from aging. We are going to talk about the food that can make your skin look younger and glowing. Number 1. Turmeric. The first item has great antioxidants properties and is used as a spice in so many cultures. Yes, I am talking about turmeric. Turmeric not only makes your skin glowing but also increases your immunity. Turmeric has the right amount of antioxidants, which helps fight the harmful free radicals present in our bodies. Number 2. Pomegranates. Next to the food item we are gonna talk about is pomegranates. Pomegranates are a great source of vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. It helps in clearing skin as well as fighting bacteria and viruses present in our bodies. Number 3. Citrus fruits. Next on the list is lemon and oranges. Citrus fruits are very rich in vitamin C. These citrus fruits are rich in antioxidants and make our skin radiant and clear. Number 4. Green vegetables. Green vegetables also show an important role in the prevention of wrinkling of the skin. Green vegetables like spinach and kale are very good sources of beta-carotene, which is a key anti-aging component. Adding green vegetables to your diet is a good way to prevent aging. Number 5. Almonds. Food items rich in vitamin E help reduce the damage that occurs in our skin by exposure to UV rays. Food items like almonds and avocado are rich sources of vitamin E. Number 6. Broccoli. Broccoli is also very effective in anti-aging because of its richness in vitamin C. It helps in repairing your skin and also filters out UV rays. Number 7. Seeds. Some seeds like chia seeds and flax seeds are very helpful to make your skin look youthful and radiant. These seeds are rich in omega-3, which not only make your skin glowing but are also effective in removing pimples. They are also very beneficial for your heart and brain. Number 8. Beets. Beets are also a great source of vitamin C. It also contains beta-carotene and iron. It keeps the blood flow of the body in check. This means greater blood flow to your face that is gonna add that extra blush to your face. You can consume beets as a salad or as a smoothie or even as beetroot juice. Number 9. Fish. Seafood is rich in anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties. Food items like fish, tuna, and prawns are very good for our skin and body. Wild salmon contains carotenoid antioxidants that got activated when we cook them up. We should avoid eating raw seafood as they contain some proteins that might be harmful to our body. But when we cook that, the protein gets denatured, hence does not affect our body. Seafood also contains various oils that are good for our liver. Number 10. Dark chocolate. The last food item that is included in this list is what I think is all of us favorite. It is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains flavanols. It helps in absorbing the harmful cancer-causing UV rays and hence protects our skin from sun damage. It also helps in better blood circulation in the whole body, making our skin glowing and radiant. So, these are some food items that could make you look younger and also have other health benefits too. Include these items in your routine diet and see the miracles of nature. Along with this, water is also very good to get that young look. There you have it. If you're more curious about healthy skin, please be sure to check the link in the description down below. And make sure to like this video and subscribe for daily contents. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.